Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today we're exploring the pivotal role of a banquet manager. This position is essential in ensuring the success of various events, from weddings to corporate functions. Let's dive into the duties and responsibilities of a banquet manager. First up, event planning and coordination. Banquet managers work closely with clients to understand their needs and preferences, creating detailed plans for each event. First up, event planning and coordination. Banquet managers work closely with clients to understand their needs and preferences, creating detailed plans for each event. They coordinate with various departments, from catering to audiovisual teams, to ensure every detail is covered and the event runs smoothly. Staff management is a crucial part of the job. Banquet managers supervise and schedule the banquet staff, ensuring they are well trained and prepared for each event. Effective leadership and clear communication help create a cohesive and efficient team. Overseeing event setup is key. Banquet managers ensure that the venue is set up according to the client's specifications, from table arrangements to decorations. Attention to detail is essential to create a visually appealing and functional space. Managing budgets and resources is another important responsibility. Banquet managers keep track of expenses, negotiate with vendors, and ensure the event stays within budget. Effective budget management helps maximize resources and deliver a high-quality event. Customer service is at the heart of a banquet manager's role. They ensure that clients are satisfied with every aspect of the event, addressing any issues or concerns promptly. Building strong relationships with clients and providing exceptional service ensures repeat business and positive reviews. Ensuring safety and compliance is crucial. Banquet managers adhere to health and safety regulations, ensuring that the venue meets all legal requirements. Maintaining a safe environment for guests and staff is non-negotiable. Imagine you're a banquet manager overseeing a large corporate event. Here's how you might handle the situation. 1. Plan thoroughly. Meet with the client to understand their needs and create a detailed event plan. 2. Coordinate staff. Schedule and train staff to ensure they are prepared for the event. 3. Manage setup. Oversee the setup to ensure everything is in place and meets the client's specifications. 4. Monitor budget. Keep track of expenses and manage resources effectively. 5. Engage with clients. Provide excellent customer service and address any issues promptly. And 6. Ensure safety. Adhere to safety regulations and maintain a safe environment. By following these steps, you can ensure a successful and memorable event. Being a banquet manager is a dynamic and rewarding role that requires a blend of organizational skills, leadership, and exceptional customer service. That's it for today's episode on the duties and responsibilities of a banquet manager. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.